Okay, doke. So we're going to talk about 5 features within Hootsuite that will make your life super simple. The first feature I want to show you is streams. All right. So to go to streams, you want to go right here in Hootsuite, and I use the paid version. And so I have no idea what the free version looks like, but I imagine that it has the same features, except, some things are limited. So the first thing is streams, and you'll find that right beneath your profile pic, and you want to click on that. And when you click on that, it will allow you to add a stream. I'm already on the streams page, so it allows you to add a stream. So let's say that you have connected your Twitter, you've connected your Facebook, you've connected your Google Plus. As you can see, I do have several social media clients up here, and so I've organized each one of them into separate entities, into separate streams, and you can do that as well. Or you could organize each one of your social media platforms into one stream. So let's say you create a stream for Twitter, you create a stream for Facebook, you create a stream for Google Plus, you create a stream for Instagram. All right, because Hootsuite now supports Instagram. So what you want to do is add a stream. All right, and then you want to go ahead and select a profile, all right, from this drop down menu. And then you want to make sure you also choose the social network. So first of all, make sure that you click on stream, choose a social network. Okay, I kind of had it backwards. Choose a social network first, and then choose which profile you want to create that stream for. And then for each one, as you can see right now, I have it Twitter highlighted. You're going to have options of home, mentions, messages, messages in the inbox, outbox, your tweets, likes, retweets. Okay, and you can add whatever one of these you want to monitor into your stream. All right, and I'll show you how that looks like for my profile at Gnontra. So I have my tweets. These are the things that I have composed and tweeted out. I also monitor my mentions. Okay, so I don't always have to sign into Twitter to say thank you for tweeting or retweeting me, or to connect with people. All right, I can just go here and click on a heart to like it or retweet it or reply to them and say thanks, and that saves me a ton of time. Okay, so that is stream. Super simple. Just add the stream and choose the social network and choose the profile that you want to work with. Okay, great. So next thing is bulk uploads. Okay, bulk uploads, and you can access that by going into the publisher. Okay, so when you go into the publisher, you have this right here, the bulk message upload. Okay, so you can click on that, and when you click on that, you can choose a file. Okay, you can choose a file, and usually it's a CSV file. A CSV file very much looks like an Excel spreadsheet, except it's saved as a CSV, and it has a few functions that are different. Now, if you are in doubt, you can download a sample CSV file, and it will have it in the format that Hootsuite wants it. They're pretty strict about what exactly they want uploaded. Okay, it has to be in a certain format. It has to be, the date format has to follow. You have to choose the right format. You have to have it in the right, there's so many things. Sometimes I'll create a whole spreadsheet. I used to get so frustrated and I'll reject it outright. But the nice thing is that they will tell you what you need to fix, And so once you are done creating that CSV file, and basically what that CSV file allows you to do is just input the content, and I can show you one of those CSV files right now. File I created for a client, all right, and it has the date formats and the way that Hootsuite wants it. I include the posts in the cells that are next to the date and time. And when this is done, I'm just simply going to go ahead and save that as usually it'll ask you to save it in different formats, but you can save it as another format, and then it allows you to save it as a CSV file. And then you save that to your desktop or wherever you want to save it, and then you upload it. Okay, super simple. So once you upload it, you want to go and then select the social network that you want to upload this content to, you submit it, and it's going to tell you if it accepted it or not, and then you can make the appropriate changes and then resubmit it. It makes life really, really easy if you can just put it in an Excel sheet and just have it just have it uploaded and have Hootsuite schedule that for you. Now, the only thing you cannot do with the bulk message upload is that you cannot include images. So if you want to include images, what you're going to have to do after you've uploaded the file is you need to come into your scheduled content. So right now I don't have anything scheduled, but if I did, you'll see all the scheduled content here, and you're gonna want to click on that. So let's just create something. So let's say blah blah blah. Okay, we're just gonna choose my social right there, and then we're going to schedule that for 40 minutes from now. Okay, because I'm doing this video at night. All right, so reschedule that. All right, and so now we have it scheduled. You can always go here and edit, click on this pen and edit this content. All right, and you can just attach the medium. All right, so you can attach a video, you can attach an image. I know sometimes with videos, Hootsuite sometimes has a problem with scheduling videos sometimes, but images, definitely you can do that. Okay, and so maybe that's what you want to do if you only have text content but you want to add in images. The CSV file does not support images, and so you absolutely are going to have to do this. Okay, all right, great. The other thing I love about Hootsuite that makes my life super simple is this function that is known as the auto schedule function. And you can access the auto schedule function by simply going to scheduling and then turning this button on. Okay, so it's right here, and basically what this does for you, and before I even show you that, let's go into the settings. All right, you can go into settings, and then you can go into settings and go into auto schedule. Okay, and then you select how many times you want, how many messages you want between the hours that you want and the days on which you want them. Okay, so you can choose that. Right now I think Hootsuite only allows up to 10 auto scheduled messages, but you can schedule up to 350 messages per social media platform for whatever you're doing. So I wouldn't worry so much, but per day I love to use my auto schedule function, and if it goes beyond that day, okay, then it will just push it over to the next day. So don't worry about oh, I don't have enough 10 messages. For Twitter, I'm always recommending at least 10 per day, so even for Twitter that's a pretty good number. All right, and so I have that saved in my settings, right? All right, so once that's done, you've set that up in your settings, which you access by going there. You want to go here whenever you're ready to create content, and then scheduling, and then turn this auto schedule button on. Okay, so that when you create content, when you're done creating content, you're done attaching your image, your links, whatever it is you want to put in here, you just hit auto schedule, and you don't have to choose a time. Hootsuite is going to pick the most appropriate time based on the times that you have chosen to post that content. Isn't that awesome? Awesome. All right, so that is the auto schedule function. Another thing you can do within Hootsuite is to target where you want this content to be seen. And the way you do that is by clicking on this little button right here in the publisher. All right, so this is the publisher. You want to go to targeting options, you click that, and once you click that, it will give you this. You click on the Twitter targeting options, and you can start typing the country that you want to target. Okay, super simple. So you do that, you do your auto scheduling, and you are good to go. Okay, so last but not least, I want to talk about the Hootsuite Chrome extension. So now a lot of people are using the Chrome browser. That's the Google browser that is super fast and very, very friendly and usually bug free. All right, and so you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and actually install the extension just by going to tools. You can install the extension on your browser, and what it allows you to do is that when you go to a website, you can click on an image on that website and schedule that piece of content. So let's say that right here on my blog, I want to go ahead and tweet out or schedule this piece of content, 10 ways to build you buzz for your book on social media. All I need to do is hover over the image, and sometimes it takes a little bit, but all you need to do is hover over the image, click on the Hootlet, okay, the Hootlet icon, and then what it does is that it will have the content right there, so you can edit it. You can go ahead and choose a social media platform you want this to go to. You can go ahead and, instead of saying image from, just 10 ways, and then you can simply auto schedule. How simple is that? So no matter where you are, it makes sharing super simple. If you don't want to share it immediately and you just wanted to add it to your queue in Hootsuite, it makes it super simple for you to be able to add it. Okay, so those are 5 features within Hootsuite that will make your life super easy, and if you're not using them already, you should start using them.